I'm going to share with you today 10 ways on how you can find wholesale suppliers for Amazon sellers. And by the way, number 8, someone paid $10,000 to learn, and I'm going to share it with you for free. Let's get started. What if I told you there was a directory that lists thousands of wholesale suppliers, but many Amazon sellers have no idea how to use it properly? When I first found this directory, I was blown away by its massive online lists where you can browse thousands of wholesale suppliers across nearly every product category. Whether you're selling toys, tools, or even beauty products, it's all there. You can even use advanced filters to narrow down products by type, location, and even company name. It's a great starting point for discovering new suppliers, but here's the key. Just because someone is listed there doesn't mean it's legit or even good. The site doesn't guarantee quality suppliers. Remember, you still need to do your due diligence and check reviews and verify the company before moving forward. Now, if you don't know, it's called wholesalecentral.com and check it out. This is a great method to find products, but what would you think if I told you forget Google? If you want to find hidden local suppliers, grab your keys and head outside. I learned this because a friend was stuck trying to find local distributors for pet supplies. Now, one day they spotted, guess what? A truck delivering to a local independent pet store, and they called the number on the side of the truck or on the side of the van, which led in turn to a supplier which offered them better pricing than anything that they'd actually found. Now, what do I recommend? Keep a notebook or your phone handy. Take photos when you're out if you see a branded truck relevant to anything that you're doing. Research the company, reach out and ask if you can open a wholesale account, and I like to call this the delivery truck method. The next method I'm about to share with you won't just help you find suppliers, but it'll also show you how to create warm introductions, making it so much easier to open accounts. What is the secret to getting to suppliers to actually respond to emails using this method? Well, this one sentence breaks the ice instantly and has worked so many times to us. I found out about this from a student of mine who used this approach with a toy brand who were exhibiting at a European trade fair. They sent a message before the event saying, "I saw you're going to insert event name, which is a trade fair, and I'd love to connect in advance." Not only did they get a supply from the distributor, but they also got pre-approved for an account before the show even started. Now that is a win. Now this is what I call the trade show strategy. And if you don't actually have to attend the trade show to benefit, just use the list from the exhibitors on the websites to find the brands and reach out to them or the distributors. And it's a really warm angle. It's really simple, scalable, and surprisingly effective. The next method is a simple one from your desk, but we're going to show you how you can find way more suppliers. I was helping someone to source a specific Nike sneaker that they were looking for, and we couldn't find a reliable supplier. But what we did is we basically took the barcode from the box and we plugged it into Google with the word wholesaler or distributor. And bam, we found a PDF catalog from a legit distributor with that exact barcode on it. That led us to find that distributor, which allowed us to open up the account. Now, the tip here is not just searching for wholesaler or distributor on Google, but put in barcodes, put in part numbers plus wholesale and distributor, which is going to tap into the CSV files or the PDF files that Google has indexed from that supplier. These are going to help you find suppliers that you'd never have found before, just getting to people who are selling the exact products you're after. Stay tuned because the next method is going to show you suppliers without even leaving your house or even going online. Are you struggling to scale your Amazon FBA business? Well, join the Amazon FBA War Room, which is a community that I've created whereby you can ask questions on our live calls, get free weekly training, and join a community of like-minded sellers. Get a free 7-day trial by checking out the link down in the description below. I want to let you in on a secret. Every single product you have right now in your house is actually telling you where you can source it from. You just haven't been looking closely enough. Now, a student of mine went into Sam's Club and started scanning boxes in the home goods section. What they basically saw, once we realized this, is that they can look at every single product they have and they can turn it onto the back and they can look at how they're being distributed, i.e. who is the company who is selling it. Now, what this allows you to do is to find regional wholesalers, regional distributors that might not even show up through online regular searches. And it's so helpful. So right now, you can just go in the kitchen cupboards, find products, look on the back of them and see who is selling them, and obviously reach out to them and ask for accounts and find out the way to get that product. This is a way of finding suppliers that most people just never see. Now, one thing I'll share with you is some of the best wholesale suppliers aren't on Amazon, maybe not even on the internet, but how can we still find them? It's called the digital drive-by methods. Instead of getting in your car, driving around industrial parks, looking for distributors, get on Google Maps, get on Street View, and virtually explore business parks, business areas. Look for warehouses, trucks, signage, clues that real distributors are operating nearby. That's just going to help you out to find the suppliers that no one else knows. Now, this leads me on to my next method. How did we used to find businesses before Google even existed? If you can't remember, or if you don't know, there was a great way it used to happen. And I use this method to come across a toy wholesaler who had no website, no social media, and barely any online presence. But they had a listing in the yellow pages. Yes, it's something really old, and it actually exists still to this day. When I called them, they were happy to email over a full list of the product catalog, and guess what? They've been in business for over 40 years. You can use the online version of Yellow Pages, or even better, you can get your hands on a physical older copy, because old ones tell you all the details, and go through looking for wholesalers, distributors in specific categories or in specific areas that's going to help you out. The Yellow Pages, especially older copies, can lead to long established wholesalers who maybe have a really poor online presence and just don't show up in Google searches at all. This leads me on to my 8th method. Now, this is something where I know the person told me this. They said they paid $10,000 to learn this sourcing trick, and I'm going to give it to you away now for free. Now, I did this with one of my toy suppliers, and I'll show you on screen as well while I'm talking. And the process is great. Why? Because it allows you to take one supplier, and then you can find other suppliers from that. Basically, it's a multiplication process. So don't do it to start with, go find lots of suppliers, and then come back and use this process to find more suppliers. This will make you turn one supplier into 3 or even 5 distributors that are going to really help you out. Now, what is this method called? It's called the SpyFu competitor method. Now, it works by analyzing one of the supplier's SEO footprint. And what you could do is you can uncover their online competitors, who's competing with them on Google. And many of them are also other wholesale companies who've been around for a long time that you maybe never find with a normal Google search. So by typing in a supplier name, you can find the other competitors and then go and type them in and keep going and going and going. It's an infinite list that will last forever. Now, this leads me nicely on to my next method. What would you do if you could be the only seller for a brand that's never been on Amazon before? You basically have exclusive rights. Well, I interviewed someone who was struggling to get approved by some big name distributors, and instead they did another option. They found brands in their niche and contacted them directly. 2 months later, they had 5 new accounts and were working directly with the brand founders, not distributors. Now, how did they do this? FBA.com. I think that's right, but don't quote me. Now, it's a wholesale marketplace filled with emerging brands looking to actively find retail partners who can take their products on board and sell them. You can speak to them directly, open up accounts, avoid competition, and build listings on Amazon to support them. And obviously, it's going to help you get exclusive brand deals, which is what a lot of people are talking about right now. When we started doing wholesale seriously, we stopped searching for just toy suppliers or beauty wholesalers. Instead, we started looking for brands, specifically ones performing well on Amazon that we could sell. That single shift changed everything. This is what we call the brand sourcing method. We're not working with the brands directly. What we do is we don't just search the suppliers, but we identify the brands that are selling well, and then we go straight to the brand and ask if they will supply directly to us. Most of the time, they'll probably say, no, we're not going to order enough, or we don't meet the criteria. But what we then do is ask for their official distributors or wholesalers that we can purchase from. We are literally getting the person just below them and getting great pricing. Now, why is this important? Because once you find those top distributors, the ones who work directly with the brands, you're more likely to get best pricing, best stock availability, and in many cases, you can even speak to the distributor and ask them to order products from the brand that they don't even stock themselves on a custom order, which can change the game completely. I've just given you 10 solid ways to find profitable wholesale suppliers, and even a few you probably hadn't thought of before. But here's the thing, finding wholesale suppliers is just the first step in a long journey of selling on Amazon. The real growth happens when you know how to scale it up in a smart smart way. So in the next video I'm going to share around here, check out my interview with Dan 1000 Asons, who basically doubled his business the last 4 years. Right now he's doing 12 million a year, and he shares every single step that he did. And it's one of my most watched videos on wholesale. Click here to check it out. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.